Patient responsibility. Patient is responsible to provide accurate and complete medical history. Whatever happening with present condition of the patient, whatever the past medication has been taken, if any past BP, diabetic is there for the patient, or any patient is having any drug allergy, that also needs to be informed to the treating consultant for accurate treatment of the patient. Follow the treatment plan. Whatever the treatment prescribed by the consultant have to be followed on time. Take medications safely. Whatever the drug has been prescribed in the prescription, take it on the right time with the right dose. If the consultant has been prescribed the tablet, then take the tablet, don't take the syrup instead of that, because in the market tablet and syrup both are available. It is for the kids and the adults, it is to be separate. So don't take the wrong dose also. If the tablet has been prescribed 40 mg, buy 40 mg and take it. Don't buy 80 mg and take the half of the tablet like that. Don't do it. Take the proper dosage of the tablet, right drug to the right patient. If the prescription has been prescribed for the patient A, then give that medicines to the patient A only. Do not to give with the similar complaint another family member is having, so I'll give that medicine. No, the complaint may be similar, but the treatment plan may be differ. So don't prescribe your own medications to the others. Respect the healthcare staff. Whenever you are visiting the hospital, please respect the healthcare staff who is treating you, who is taking care of you. Follow the hospital's rules and regulations. Whatever the hospital rules, like no smoking, no littering, no photography, or keep silence in the hospital environment. Do the hand hygiene, wear mask. If no entry signage is there, then don't enter to the premises. Don't take your dog to the hospital and visit the consultant. So please follow the hospital rules as provided.